This is the SOYO M4 Mini personal computer from AliExpress. Inside, it runs the Intel Twin Lake N150 processor with 4 cores and 4 threads, boost up to 3.6 GHz, a thermal design power of 6 watts, and 6 MB of smart cache on the Intel 7 process. Graphics are Intel UHD, with a core clock up to 1 GHz. Memory is 12 GB of low-power double data rate 5 at 4,800 MHz. Storage is a 512 GB solid-state drive, in an M.2 size 22 by 42 mm. For displays, you get 2 high-definition multimedia interface ports and 1 DisplayPort, supporting triple-screen 4K output. Connectivity includes wireless Ethernet 5, Bluetooth 5.0, and 2 RJ45 Gigabit Ethernet ports. On the front and back, there are 3 universal serial bus 3.2 ports, an audio jack, and a Type-C interface. Power is through Type-C at 12 volts, 3 amperes, and the adapter is included. The body is compact at 87 mm wide, about 36 to 37 mm tall, and around 200 grams. You can mount it behind a monitor or a television for a clean setup. If you want this SOYO M4 Mini from AliExpress, check the link in first comment.